I know what I want, but I have limited skills. What I want is a flat piece of metal here, curved round like that, only about 1 centimetre. So it curves around and goes about 1 centimetre. And then also curves this way. The whole idea is I have to get this registered, and it's a bit of rough edge. It just looks a bit rough, you know. So I'm just presuming if I take all rough edges away, won't see any like cutting points, anything like that. So it's an illusion, you know. I have to make it look safe. So I got to cover this over. I just got to make it look nice and have rounded edges on it. I can't have it exposing and sharp. And as I said before, this is cut out of the bottom of the computer. It's the only sort of straight piece in there. It's only 1 mil thick. It's not gonna do anything. But it's not the point, is it? It will look like it does. It will look strong. It will look solid. Yeah. What I am worried about is once I've bent that round like that, I've turned it into a bit of angle iron like this, that way, and it won't bend on itself. It won't then want to bend that way. Because I've bent it this way, it'll resist bending that way, and I want to buckle out, and you know that's what I foresee, and I reckon that's what it will do too. 50 mil is the size that'll fit in there, so I've got this too long in case I mess it up. I can always cut it short. Anyway, that's 50 mil. So I'll now bend it. Second bend. That fits. Thing is, that won't push any more in than there. And then that has that outside lip there, so that's not too bad. Is there any better this way? Oh yeah, look at that, that's closer. So there's a better side for it. Okay, I'll deal with that. Now, I'm going to bend that over. I'm just going to cut it here. I think that's a better way. As usual, I'm winging this. This is that piece I made that had that rounded shape to it. I guess the bend starts there, and I'll get a better piece of that. Cleaner piece. Bend starts there. That would start there. And I've got to hold it in. Too many hands now. Now one has to go out, one has to go in. So I'm going to make this one go out, and that one go in. Well, it's the beginnings. That's not working. Now I really want to it's happening. A little bit of banging down to do there. I've got to do this side the same. But that's happening. I'll finish this side off. I'll just sort of really give that a good squash there. And doing that side should even that up, I hope, because it looks a bit out of balance. Hopefully I want to bend that down or even that out. If not, I cut it off and do it all again, because I've got the extra length. Well, that's pretty well got it. Only the top. I did sand this a little bit just to make it a bit smoother. I cut, went round the corners there. I made it a bit nicer, but it'll sit like that. I'm not finished with it yet because I've still got to do the bottom. The bottom might be nicer, so I might end up making the bottom the top. I don't know yet, but any different place, I don't think it'll work as well. So just like that'll do the job. Well, it's done, and I'm happy with it. It's not quite how I imagined it to be, but it's got the job done. It's a bit dark in here, but that's off. It's not touching, so that'll be good. It's clamped in there well. The my idea of having this, so you don't see all that stuff there, that's working. Not quite as pretty as I'd like. I thought that would be able to get that fold over, but cutting it works out best. I just couldn't do anything more with it. That's just a big bolt off some race glass, so one bolt seemed to do the job. That'll be from the head straight up with the water pump. I might have a inline temperature gauge or switch, a thermostat, maybe not. This will come in, water pump somewhere. But look, it's in for my feet. It looks good. It's clean. Looks like it was meant to be there. Looks like it was made to be there. I think I've done it. So I'm happy with that. It's worked out not too bad.